Nisa cia Vilingi wa Mauvoo.
Nisa cia kwata Vilingi wa Mauvoo museisa nina wikwatio kana ni watinda nesa ni ukwata ni ndini wanatika miongwana na kana miongwana na itano siukira ni kana tumanithia Mauvoo tondo mekikie kuma isioni cia ukamba ondomwe na isioni ingi cia nthi ya Kenya indi mbeka twamba kunengelelia latukumbanisye kwa ukuve
alatukumbanisye ni pamwe na
Senator wa Masaku Agnes Kavindu kuweta ndeti kilaine ndia lameka la ithekani cia Portland ila si mavokoma na magweni silikali. Inspector munene wa polisi mweo Jafet Kohome kwa dhana kukutana na siko cia ung'ila siko mbele itaisio mbinge cia nthi ya Kenya. Ene ndia lamekwa tasekinandu cha maendeleo cha CDF kuwetwa tamethi nane namo ayumbe mayatha na kukomea wia chumwani tuendete. Na gavana wa Mombasa Abdulsamad Sharif Nasir kukulia tongo yalanyive kauntini suma thukume mengwatanio.
Vilingi wa Mauvoo.
Nina udhocha nyenito wa Robert Mutuku na Kensha Rondinda etwalila Mauvoo kwanzia ya meko. Senator wa kaunti ya Masaku Mwandu Agnes Kavindu muthama niwe vita ndeisa kwikala asiaisye mwene nthi wa Masaku ainyamagwa ni silikali ya OU anaethiwa bena thina munene uyanata nthini wa itheka ile yendeye kuete ngusanisyo ta cha Portland kilioni uyumbe cha mavoko. Kavindu ni wathingilila bena batatongoi masilikali tama minister kwamba kwikala nthi na utongoi wa kaunti ya Masaku na kunena ni ahiyoluwanzi ila sia ile kuvikiwa mbe wa maminista kwikuna kithui na maoneni mo makitani matena musingi Penina Ndenge ena Mauvoo.
Senator Kavindu ni waweta ena uthatu mwingi kwa na silikali nene ya President William Ruto ondo yambeye ko kinyangia nthi akisia ando alama tena ukwati yaani mahasla.
Minister gunengete ndaya ondo gunengete tani senator wa Masaku kuria yasia andu asu nulunja ombe no ikimanga tusumba tu twetosumba wa kimanga na mawima twaba na wima biaba na wima kimianiki no citizen ma Kenya my law protect wa ni serikali wa Kenya nienda kuita serikali wa President William Ruto nikana usiye no itetea mbaya mukamba wa Masaku na nduketikile andwala unengie wia oju makwanangie isietwa na maituma isietwa ya kujithuka anduni.
Kavindu ainenga na ngelekanyo na maskwota alama tuite kithekani cha Portland na kila silikali ya kati itangasie kwenda kumakudhu avo yake kiwanza cha ndeke kina kisese kinene cha kuiameio aithingilela silikali ya Ruto ya elethi wambeyi ivangithia mivango misio ya kuthengesia maendeleo kwa ekalima Portland ni kwethi wawiwa no watene waika na kitheka kiki etiwa kicha mwene nthi wa Masaku.
Tunewie kuria ainena na yasia kana enda kukakwika maendeleo Portland na andwala mebau onde nukulunja nikana akie masla makambuni kana o kila kingi wimbu abangite kwaka nikana aete masla mathukume na kuria nenda ukukulia hii kobe asla wagwo na asla nusu nundu squatter ni asla ulamwa ipyo nundu ndeba andu bangi wizi utona kuthi.
Okavindani kaune wakathi ya utongo iwa OU andongo isia akamasaku vala wakathi ya kuma maviki ya kusakuwa cheni nikiendee kukena mithiani kivathukanyo ya county A na ila mingi ya kwamia ivindani ya ula unatuye gavana wa Masaku Dr. Alfred Mutuku. Ni wakulia silikali ya county itethianisia kwa vakuvina athukumi ma uitinduane kuthuthia ene nthi undu wa kusiania na kunyaeka kwa uwau wa kivindu kwa kuikithia utheu misieni masokoni na mawiani.
Indi omuyikia ndawa ila ingi kila kingi ngwita ni wito wa andu alame Masaku especially Machakos town maye utheu nundu wa kolera ula kwina outbreak ya kolera juu na andu mesuvie na ni asia itina wa covid kuolekanga andu ni maeki uthamba moko maeka kuyo theu muno nundu ila kuna ina covid andu manatinda mathambite moko makekia mask kuya imbwa na outbreak ya kolera of nabandu na bamwe.
Seneta Kavindu eweta nzia yithiwa yitethesya utongoi wa Masako na kuikithia vai ilovia cia kaunti inaya mokoni ma thukumi machati. Penina Ndenge, Vilingi wa Mauvoo.
Tuisonga na mbeni kana kavindani kama ukulio kukonia thayu wa uoni wa kinandu cha maendeyo mailio mbunge kana NGCDF maendeye na kuingiva ala mekwatasi ya kinandu ki kwa vanene tandevisia fees maskuluni kutumania Mauvoo kunyaye cha mwaki wa sima isioni sianduani katewa mawea angi yume muisioni wa sindu ikulea kusiona ingi ethi wa mungu wa mitumile ya mbesa uidhiniki wa kwa mituki nota mwandi kuito Benjamin Mwaka ukuelesya ni kana ayumbe kwa vamwe meweta kana oundu umwe na mwene ndi uendeye kuumea kuma kinanduki chongamwa mitatu mivitu na silikali ya kateyu ni yumbanie kulika kithimini ki kwambia chumwa chukite kethi wa mayethu kiwa kiyo cho tondu kuelesya
imwe mitilatala hila silikali akati ithiwevanie ikunekelwe kana kunena ni wa bunge ni chuma ni chukite ni vatondeka ikete langa kwa ivinda ya sanga ethiwa silikali nene yumbanite kunenga ayumbe welesyo kukonya undume ukwati luviasyo sia uthukumwa ilio mbunge sia NGCDF kunena nyani wa ayumbe yo kivalua cha kumanda mausungyo kuma ofisini wa president na muviano wa kinandu kileilwe mokoni mandongo yala inge muyumbe wa Kikuyu Kimani Shungwa otaundu muyumbe wa Machakos Town Caleb Mutiso Amule ukuelesya
anene na treasury andaita report CDF dilekwendi nikenda siana sito in kwate basari natuyende na development ilenge ya CDF kwa utumia nisi idi onde alimu tafadhali lao ndiyo ngomukule tetunga hiyo siana sukulu nikenda siana sito isome na sieka mutiani nesa besa isu inge nisiuka
wasia wa ayumbe ainge ni kana kuvetango kwa kinanduki kukwamite kwa vanene maendeo isioni sia ndwani na yu edwa muvio wa kinandu tutavikitu wakele uyedwa na mausungi ulua unu wa kinanduki nimeovala nyembe udhukumwa imbunge na mukomo wa ayumbe wedwa katwa sindu kauta uisi ya mbunge kuvirukidia mitilatala yo na yonde asilikali kutwaiwa kwa kamitisio katwa sindu inge kauta be wa udhiumo wa mwasa kuambia
CDF nicho kindu kila muhimu pyo kwa enendi dhidha yo ka percentage kanini ka national cake dhidha 2.5% ya national cake dhidha ya CDF na niyaziwika ni mwenendi pa yola munini nundu niwo wona masukulu mayakwa na basarizi wanajua rambezi adhalila sukulu ndiye laiwe tuitha na rambe nikenda take sukulu
wanita huu ni wakwato ambao ni muyumba kitwicha uthuloni wa suwa mwandu Edith Vethi Nyenze ula waweta nthini wa mnyei itatu kuma kinanduki cha NGCDF chejwa hithekani Supreme Court mituo ya tene ya alambe sia kusangia maniwa ndevi sia maskulu yani fees yune isiokie ula kuendana nake ni kwa icha asiai muyo mwito utanetha vau itinani na uwithiwa uivalanya mayumba nisio mama niwa ingela metele mitianio ya muthia siuma mbuthu siukite
siana mbingi isoma kwizila mbasarini na onasini molio ni kwika marambi makwaka maskulu imaekania na marambi mona makwika maundu ma kisomo lakini kume ibinda yeno twethiwe CDF ikalangite ikwethiwe mathina mengi nundu wiona kwa WhatsApp sisobiswe mbinge pyo nikenda andu matonya kwithia matethia cia kwiva bisi kuwa ndo wesa ite yumumia mbesa mubuko pandu ba mbesa kuma kwa serikalini na mwandu maina imbesa kwa kuna chone ku affect economy yitu
mutalatala wa kuimia kinanduki nesa kimiao utongo wene muyumba wa Matongulo Stephen Mutinda wa Mule na novi tukithiwe bungeni chumani ki mbalayu uithi bungeni ya Senate kunena ni wa na indi kuthie sesoni ya kulanya wa maoni ma NND mbewa kusiokithia ingi vambungeni mwambiono mwaka ukita kunena ni wa ya muthiana kukunikilwa na kukuniwa kula kuvitukithwa mwandu Edith Nyenze nwathingilela kwa vanene mbunge nionanisie umesio na wendu wa kuatia miao na yunongi na kinanduki kitungiwe na mituki
na nikule nikenda mbesi lekwe mituki ochuma twende twethe ni cia lekwe nundu ba kindu twetelete kila CDF yithia na fund manager na mbesi isikalekirwe kwa fund manager ciana no ikwate mbasari na ungesuba alimu na mama yakana ciana cikale skulu ni twetelete mbasari nundu imosito strasia kitu US tutu committee mbesa ciapika o mituki nitu manenga mbesa skulu ni kutafadhali kana ina ciana cikale skulu nikenda mekaeke mitiani na ila yangilie kuanzia muno ya form 4
dilivotia Vilingi wa Mauvoo kumova katika tuwa miako ya mbunge ni Musini Lovi nitawa Benjamin Mwaka.
Ndongo isia kiuteti kaunti ya Mombasa ni cia kulwa ibikiye kuya ivathukanio cio ute na kuthukuma si mwamba kileloni cha kweta maendeleo kula kwi mwene nthi witano umwa ni governor wa kaunti cia Mombasa Abdulswamad Sharif Nasir kavindani kala wambisya mulati wa kunengane liu kuma skulu ma nasari na ma musingi sub county ya Nyali na Kisauni walana yake muyumbe wa Nyali Mohamed Ali wa mukulia Nasir yavikiye kuthukuma mwamba na musumbe William Ruto kweta maendeleo kwe kalima kaunti su ya Mombasa. Mwandi kuitwa Jelina Mose ena Mauvoo.
Ainene achathini cha kuambiswa kwa mulati wa kunyai chaleuma skulu ni mamo singi sub county ya Nyali na Kisauni. Governor wa kaunti ya Mombasa Abdulswamad Sharif Nasir ni wawetakana serikali yake ni kufikia kudhocha kila umwe na kuthukuma mwamba na ndongo isionde vatano wa kuwete maendeleo kui mwenendi wa kaunti ya Mombasa.
We are going to have an open door where we will work with everyone as long as priority number 1 is the growth of Mombasa. Mombasa isonge mbele. Tumeelewana sio?
Nasir ni walesekana na kutwika muyumbe wa Nyali Mohamed Ali murengo ni kivathukanyo wake uteti ni makuvikia kuthukuma mwamba vatano wa kuendesha kaunti ya Mombasa na ambeki maendeleo.
Namwambia unajua ndugu yangu Moa hapa tumefanya naye kazi miaka na mimi nimemwambia ya kuwa our first agenda will be the people of Mombasa. Tulikuwa katika mrengo tofauti wa kisiasa sio? Na sahihi, lakini hapa katika hawa watu mnaoona hapa kuna wale walikupigia wewe na wakanipigia mimi pia sio? Si ni kweli? Kuna wengine walipiga kwengine na wakapiga kwengine, lakini jukumu letu ni kuwahudumikia kila mmoja katika Mombasa hii.
Kavindani kama muyumbe wa Nyali Mohamed Ali ni wa mukulia governor Abdulswamad avikiye kuthukuma mwamba na musumbe William Ruto vatani wa kuwete maendeleo kui mwenendi wa kaunti ya Mombasa vala ingi wa mwenda avikiye kunyuva nzama ya maminista na ala meyumite kumuthukuma mwenendi.
Na mimi governor nataka kukuambia hivi, usipoteze hata dakika moja ama sekunde. Wewe kuja ufanye kazi na serikali ya William Ruto, tunyoroshe hii Mombasa tuitengeze pamoja. Na usiogope chochote, wale waliokuchagua ni hawa. Ama vipi? Mambo ya chama ni wakati wa uchaguzi, sasa ni wakati wa nini? Kazi. Hawa ndio watu walikuchagua. Kuja ufanye kazi na Daktari William Samoei Ruto. Mimi nitakuwa ubavuni hapa kando, tuweze kusukuma hii Mombasa pamoja, tuondoe dawa za kulevya pamoja, tuondoe dhulma pamoja, na tuhakikishe haki na usawa inapatikana kwa hao watu wote wa Mombasa County.
Uo kakavindani kala mato SSS ya kuambisia mulati wale skulu ni vala serikali ya kaunti ya Mombasa ikwatianite na ikundia food for education vala mavingwa yiko ya kutumia steam gas kuwale ula ukaviki ya kunyai kwa maskulu ni 13 sub county ni Nyali na Kisauni chadhi kila chato iso skulu ni Wapwani School for the Mentally Challenged.
The schools that are being handled by this program katika ECD, your county government commits between 10 to 15 shillings immediately with immediate effect ianze kusaidia hawa watoto.
Na watu wa Nyali tulisema tuta invest in education, and that is what we are doing. By the end of this term, God willing, tutakuwa mbali sana, tutazalisha akili kubwa na tumalize akili ndogo katika hii county ya Mombasa tukishirikiana na Governor Abdulswamad Sharif.
We are really grateful to be here. I think this is definitely one of the biggest highlights for Food for Education. We have 8 kitchens across Kenya, but this is our largest, providing school meals across Nyali and Kisauni counties.
Kavindani kauwa wira njiru na ula ni mwambisi wa mulati uno welesekana wina chelelo cha kuikithia kana amanyiwa ni makwata leuvatani wako ulia masomo wala welesekana amanyiwa mbewa ngili miongo muonza na atano ni matetheketi ni mulati uva nthi ya Kenya.
So around Kenya now we're providing around 75,000 children with lunch every day, including here in Nyali. Thank you. And we're also providing porridge to 20,000 children in Murang'a County with a partnership with the Murang'a government. And we're excited to partner also with the Mombasa County government to continue scaling school feeding program.
Nendini wa kikalo kivala mwalimu mnene wa skulu uwa amanyiwa mema mudhame mwanya Lucy Karingi wawetakana mayina alimu maku yanayenda serikali ivikie kumongela alimu.
So kindly sir, if you can allow us have 2 ECD teachers, they will ease the congestion in the foundation class where we are supposed to be having 3 classes in that level. But we can't do that because we have no personnel. Kindly think about us when you go back to the office and provide us with ECD teachers, because our mental age does not go with the chronological age. Our mental age is ECD age. So we are eligible to get ECD teachers for our assistants.
Ngelivote ya Vilingi wa Mauvoo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nitawa Angelina Mose.
Mbe wa misi ngili kana mbe wa misi ngili kuma wodini ya Machakos Central ni kwithiwa nditetheka na kiwo cha kutumia misini yo umwena unyithia wa indo itina wa serikali ya kaunti ya Masako kwisila muvea wa kiwo kwambililia walanio wa kuvukua silanga wa kaumbuthu ula kwa kana ula kwa ilungu ya sawithitwe we mulindiku MC wa ward ya Machakos Central Nicholas Nzioka ainena kavindani ka kuvingwa silanga o ni waelesekana mulatio ni utethesya utalo munene wa amuika kukwata mawia ma kwiyaka kiukwati. Mwandikito Daniel Mwangela enalivoti mbeange.
MC wa Mumbuni Central Ward Nicholas Nzioka Alias Wangondi ndanena kavindani kala wambililia walanio wa kuenza kwa silanga ni wakathi ya muno itambio serikali ya kaunti ya Masako itongoiwe ni mwandu wa vinyendeti kwa kwitha yende na utoaisya mawalani wa Mauvoo kwa silanga na kwigithe kana ene nthi alama na atue mathinite ni kigu ni metha maikwata kigu cha kuyana wivindani ila na mumaende na ukulwa makethe kigu kwa wingi nikienda kwigithe kana maundu mane mama inaongama ivindani mbua ya ntho yende na ua
kaumbuthu ni silanga kwithe twitutethesya muno pa Machakos Central Ward kwa kunyithia indo kigu cha ubwangua ona bandu bakuko kuthumwa maiso waneo maisha mo na kwa oyu tutethise banene no for the last mbua ile toina ina kigu kianu lakini ututethise muno na yune munya upyo kwa utu ina opportunity ya ku desilt desilting ye kwa silango no to no hold kigu kianu kwa mesi ngilile na kika hold ka kwa mbua ta ile la siembe kundi ndo mutongia muvea muno governor witu ndo wakutunenga matinga
ingi MC au na ola ingi no mutongoi wala ingi mbungeni ya kaunti ya Masako ni wakulia ni waelesekana ethiwa milate no ni kuendea na kwa tombau amuika ingi ni mekwitha mikwata mawia na angi kwiyaka kiukwati kwa kuthosya miti na kulika mundu ni mane ma na ingi kwikithe kana kwinethiwa na muo waleu
silango nitwenda kuongelela value tujenda ona silanga gwoka nitwenda ikulia o silango apart from kiwi ni chao kingi tutono kwata but twenda nikana twenda wiki ya fence ba silangani to reintroduce mako yoingi na more importantly or around silangani nitwenda we establish a tree nursery na tree nursery yesu yethwa na miti mithemba yonthe na muno miti ila yina nutritional value siembe ibabai isungwa sindu taisu
Ni umwe wa enende ala maitha maitethekana silango wa kaumbuthu ula wiva musini wa Masaku na ula waelesekana ethi wa mulati unuvikia kuthiuminukililwa ukwitha uvucho munene kwa enende ala methulukite silango nundu aingi moni mekwitha makwata kiu cha ungithia indo na cha kutumia mikaleni yo ya kila muthenya ingi nenda serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku wikithekana silango ni wayewa ndelesekana withia wi mwisho muno ethi wa silango ndwikiwa wiyo
na niwe twenda ukulia serikali ondu yende na kwika yende na ukwata youth nundu bindani yutu ayo anakia nini ikwate youth kwoko nikenda wise ya kengwe no mititesu ikuche MCA witu waweta ne yabuyo wa baba nandu mambe ya uthio banda kuya nikenda wise ya andu ni kwata ukwati ebindani yo jila yokite na nenge ndiasia silango nwethi twe bindai yasa siana mbingi yuka uthambia bana kukwia ba ndonya ukulia kwa ndai ya serikali yiye ondu mheshimiwa wasia na baisi wa weather na security weze ya bai kana andu matonya kuka kweka kwa basilanganu nondu kundu kwinge masilanga andu ainge ni mateke advantage kwenda kwechi andu masilangani asu
uyu kavindani kala mwale nyotaya maende na utwae wa kundu kwikivothokanio o kavindani kala na muene ndi maende na ukulwa maende na uketha kiwu na kutumia nzia ciaki umundu ciani manikenda kwikithekana thina wale unanza ni waeka ukusi wa vaile mbetani ya ukamba na muno kauntini ya Masaku. Daniel Mwankela, Mutongoi TV, kumuvasi langani waka umbudho ulawiva musini wa Masaku.
Kungi ni kana siana ngilia na yemwe na miongo 5 ila sina ukuwithio wa miaka 5 kaunti ya Makueni sikwatiwe kutetheka na walanio wa uweimusio ulaisikanieta malezi bora sikayoni sia kwa ilia uima wasio uamwe kwisila kunewa sindu sia kuangala mwevinya kana vitamin ndawa ya minyokati waingi walanio ulawaniye kutwaiwa kwa siana ilasi skulu ni sia ECDE na sia musingi sia serikali na sia kiyene kaunti nesu wambiwe kwiyo ni muka wa governor wa Makueni Mutula Kilonzo Junior Mwandu Anita Mutula mwamba na minister wa uiti Dr. Paul Musela na wa kisomo Elizabeth Muli skulu ni wa musingi wa unoa ulawi musini wa wote Caleb Chalo nukuelesea mbiange
mbewa siana ngilia na yemwe na miongo 5 ila siungua miaka 5 vama kuweni nisi utethekana ndawa muthemba wa vitamin na ndawa cia mino vamuna kwiko kunikiliwa imwa mwe kuthiana mianele yasio na uni kwisila muvango imwana wa malezi bora program na ulovingo iwene mwandu wa mbe Her Excellency Anita Mutula ndeni wa skulu wa primary vamusine wa wote.
We are here for the launch of the Malezi Bora program, an initiative that started in 2007 all over the country. It's a program that is running from the 7th of this month to the 18th of November. And today we came to launch here at Onoa Primary. We are targeting to reach around 150,000 children all over Makueni, around 50,000 from the private ECD, and another 1,000 from the public ECD classes. It is an initiative that is geared towards improving the health.
Anita nole atiania na minister muviani wa uiti Dr. Paul Musela ingine wa utakana muvango uvane kwa ilanjo imwamwe wa siana na kusiongela mwana wa kusoma na kukwate kila mevunde wa matosumbu ane mawawe mwe alama umana wa na mele etemia ilu.
Vitamin A's and even the deworming. All right, it improves their concentration in classes. It makes them have more concentration for a longer time because, of course, they're not in pain or hungry or suffering from the effects of the intestinal worms and other effects that are lacking from the vitamins.
Muvango wa malezi bora programu ambise mwaka wa 2007 na niwende yake la inditino wa miaka ile. Sivitale maana ile na miongo 38 sia vaka ondia Makueni siye kwatiwa kutoa ICSS ya malezi bora programu. Ngina matuko 18 mamwe yo.
Yaka kelemente kanene utanyuke tukamelie. Sawa?
Caleb Chalo, Mutongoi TV, Vilingi wa Mauvoo kumava wote kaunti ya Makueni.
Na indi musiaisi atuamba kuthio mwaova nini tusiokethetie na Mauvoo mbeange tukasonge basa.
Na udho chandini wa kilungu cha Dhambalala. ndume numenete kukubukiwa nikibeti onathe mundu muka eyana ni munene eyana kiembe na mundu ume mebiano toothpick ekani tumiende twesu numenete kukubukiwa ni mundu muka
kila kikukia kila wathandatu kwambia saile na nusu cia wiyo
edwa wikalatha yukwenda edwa ni mwitu muthenya umwe katwawa withie ungua muome waku wiungua mundu na edwa walekilwe wika yundu kwenda ukathina
ona era ni kwaku kuna salute we mutambue tu nikana kwithwa mugo ndini wa muse nundu no mena kulea kutambulika na mapinda mengi cyo kutumiwanda koa nikana mumanya chao
wikala life with a control nini na bakao kale na control da yundu tonyekane kulechu itendelanso itonyeko
ndukende kwasia mwana nukomete na wewe umoka wewe umoka udhambe ende uyani mwitu yawe aende wakomelele mwana
yonke ometoke ni mutanisia wambiye kudepend na eza uisaki ukwenda ukaiya
musubie na ndukamwelekanye nonge usungi wani yako yanza ni mausuwesia niwe atikoke
we ni withito withino mauki bothukanyo ndo aisomanya niva ukatethekia yithio mwana ndu usungi waku ni wavika Mount Everest and Nutritional Clinic ungu wa Dr. Munywa ni maitana kuvose mau asu meukuthenia ni maita mauta mutamboko itausianda kana alzas kwambatwa ni nthakame sukali thina wa vinya wa uume nangi maingi ingi mena machines ya kisasa ya kuthima nthakame yaku na kumana kila uwaite mena mauvisi isioni sikivothukanyo sivo kibwezi matu muingi wote emali tala mutomo na meru ingi no mathoke ofisini wo ulawi masaku kuthengeana na Titot Hotel uteo wa kiwanza cha Mulu Mutisia Garden Superstar Building na ingi ngaliko Silovi Lois Plaza leluni Waletema Road kulianilia na Maximum Miracle mavisi amedha mavingu etu kila muthenya wahingi no makunisimu kusena nambani noti muunza ile inya dandatu itano itatu ile kenda kana noti muunza itatu ile nyanya inya kenda kana umatumia utumani kwesela email ni yo ilani info@mouteverestcures.com.
Nina udho chenge musiaisi tuende na kumanithia amandigwa maskulu ya musingi wa Machakos ula weba musini wa Masako yu mena undu wa kutania itina wa kwake wa ilasi ile ni ofisi wa kinando cha NSSF uvonge wa Masako ilasi thiyu siethethe sia kuolanga musukumano wa mandigwa kumana na utalo monene wa mo balakwena na mwalimu monene wa skulu Richard Kitheka nikana bena bata wangu atanio ingi kuosa ngelekanio isu na kutethesia kwa kailasi kwikithia mandigwa aingi alame uvikia kana meuvika skulu niyo ni makwata kuundu kwa kusomea batemo vinyano ula wende yo kusiwa Daniel Mwongela na Mauvoo.
Skulu ni wa musingi wa Machakos Primary ulaiva musini wa Masaku.
Not only in academics do we excel, in co-curricular too we excel.
Muungami munene wa muvea wa NSSF uvonge wa va Masaku Alice Njoki na nena ivindani la wakusia kuvingwa na kunengana kwa ilasi isu ile ni walesekana ta muvea umo sia itambio nikenda kutethesia kuolanga muvivinyano wa siana ula withi tundukusi wa skulu niyo itina utalo munene wa mandiwa kwitha maivika skulu niyo.
Do your motto growing you for good. In growing our numbers, you added a roof.
There was a proposal that was given by Machakos Primary and it was brought to NSSF. We looked at it and it was something that was needy. It was a needy case because the children were learning in tents, especially during the COVID-19 period. The students here are about 2,000 and the classrooms are a bit congested. So when we came here and we looked at the situation, we thought we could come in, step in and see what we can do.
Nake munini wa director wa nzama ya kuandika alimu TSC va kauntini ya Masaku Kamonde Gerard ndakulia mevea ingi kweyunya na kuendea kutethesia maskulu na muno ala meva musini wa Masaku ndaelesekana maskulu maingi ni maende na kuikumbelwa ni maumu itina kwithwa mena utalo munene wa mandiwa maumite isioni la sithulukite musio wa Masaku.
So we feel that if other organizations can come to assist the school,
being a town school, we can assist this sub-county and the county in general.
Nake mwalimu munene wa skulu wa Machakos Primary Richard Kitheka niwatunga muvenda ilesekana na itambi ni kwitha itetheesya banene kwikithikana ciana ni cietho cikwata masomo mailu na kusoma vate kuthinika muno.
Kwa utwiwa twena watano mwingi nondo kuotu na thina wa ilasi na yu ni tukwati ilasi ile ila tuendea na yusu cia ciana ikenda guthia ciana yaciandea na usoma sina enough space katika ilasi na hindi tuona kiita ni save make ni kusio nondo skulu ino still ne kuendea na ikana saa nondo ciana ikasomethagua ciana nini klasi ni kimwe kwa vitu kondo sio somethagua tena nondo ilasi ya ciana muno kwa utu ya setu na tano ndo NSSF kutulilikana na kutwakia ilasi ile na hindi tukulio wabadhili yange alama twana kuonekana hindi no matano kuka mpaka twakia ilasi ndo skulu yeye na ciana mbingi.
Utalo wa mani wala methito maivika skulu ni ugwithito wende na kuongeleka valajukwana na mwalimu munene vena vata munene wa silikali ono mwana ngwati ingi itesia ki silikali kulikila katina kutethesya kwa kailasi na kuote maundu wangi mama endeo nikienda kutethesya walani wa kisomo.
So thank you for all we can do is pray for you. So thank you for all we can do is pray for you.
Daniela Mwankela, Mutungwi TV, kumva kiwanzani skulu wa Machakos Primary Live musini wa Masaku.
Musumbi Dr. William Ruto ni wathingirila kana silikali yake yemetho kuona kana andwala aandike nimethiwa na kinandukisio kitonya kumatethia mathiumu yawe yawo. Musumbi Ruto eweta kana ilovia cia kinandu cha NSSF ila itila wathu komi kwa oyu ila ni silingi maana ili kila mwai itonya kuseovya kinandu kitethia mundu athiumu yawe vala waweta kana meone yalite kuseovwa kwa ilia kinanduki. Musumbi anena ukimansioni cha maundu ma insurance musini wa ilovi kikaloni cha ene yanda maundu ni makoneti ilovia cia kuthiumu yawe kana pension vala ingi waweta kana ilovia ithi no sikiwe melatini ya silikali na kutethia mwenendi.
We are also working to make sure that as a country we raise our savings. At the moment, it doesn't matter how you look at things, it could be anywhere between 10 or 12% depending on what numbers you are working with. But we should be able to do better than that, possibly double our percentage of savings as a percentage of GDP. We should be able to do that. It is possible, and we can work together towards achieving that. We're working with the teams to make sure that we provide pathways and interventions and a framework for Kenyans to do more savings as they do business. For example, we have built around the Hustler Fund that it's going to be a fund that is not only going to promote affordable credit, but it is intertwined with a savings component in it that is also mandatory. Because that way we can begin to build our savings as a country. I have said, going forward, I will not be borrowing, but I am ready to borrow from you. Yeah? Because you are doing a good job. And I know the ultimate beneficiaries are the citizens of our good country, many of them in doing many small jobs. So you are the people I want to work with because I know ultimately the beneficiaries are the people who deserve the kind of returns that we are going to work with you.
kungi ni kana inspector munene wa polisi mweo Japhet Koome ni wawetakana ndetikila kuona Kenya mainya maua ni nzangili wala waumia ukani muvyo kwa mangendili alamethitwe maingeane ndi musini wa ilovi na isio ningi sianthi ya Kenya ainena itina wa kuithwa kithito chawia kila cha kusiwa ni musilimu munene wa makuani mwandu Martha Koome kwi umundi kioko. Koome ni wawetakana ungei wa indo ula withitwe ikusiwa mavinda kwa mavinda ni uthela wala nake mwandu Koome wenda muvea wa polisi uthukumi we mwamba na ula wa koti ni kana kwa ilia uthukumi. Lina Musangi nukuelesya.
Sekta munene wa polisi wa kana vande ya Kenya kwisuoni wa ithu kithito miakoni ya kotini wa Supreme isesoila ya troisoni wa Chief Justice Martha Koome.
I, Japhet Koome Nchebere, having been appointed the Inspector General of Police, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Constitution and the President of Kenya during my service in the National Police Service, without favor or affection, malice or ill will, that will at all times do my utmost to preserve the peace and to prevent offenses against the peace.
Japhet Koome na ula wina utuika wa miaka 31 euselela kuma kwe ule kwa tilite muvea uonu Gabo itina wa Hillary Mutyamba ikuthi umuya uya matuku 27 mwini wa kenda mwakani u.
We have a beautiful country. All of us, we have a responsibility to ensure we hold this country together. I wish to state na kusema ya kwamba tuko na maofficers wa polisi who are very professional. 98% we have no issues with them. Maybe just 2%. And we are really being assisted by the commission, by 4 other oversight bodies. Again, we have the critical mass within the police to manage the 2%. But we are very professional police service. Kwa hivyo hawa kora wako kule nje wanafikiria watatishia maisha ya wananchi. That will not happen.
Oneneti na wakuidho kithito, Koome ni wailisekana miongo kenda na nyanya yulua yana wa maofisa mausiseiva Kenya matwaisi yawe ya wakwanzi ambaye lu ateo ele yulua yana ni mamanenga na yodho kumiutewa kuendesya ingia kuthingilila kana inenzi niwe ukwata usesei ula wailite.
Kila mimi nasema, all of us, let us enjoy our existence. Yale mali umetafuta kwa bidii, tutachunga hiyo mali. Yeyote anajaribu kuingia kwa mfuko wako, anachukua wallet yako, uko na records umenunua ya dhahabu, anataka kuichukua, atapata cha mtemakuni.
Chief Justice Martha Koome na kene wailisekana ni modhu kumavumani kenda kuikithia haki nioneka vande ya Kenya.
All of us, we are actors in the justice sector, have embraced this principle of cooperation and collaboration to ensure efficiency in the criminal justice sector. We have all recognized that none of us can make it alone. It is a shared responsibility, not only with the actors within the criminal justice sector, the judiciary, the police, the prosecution, but also the people themselves. Bwana IG, the oath which you have taken today will guide you in your day-to-day work. According to the oath, you must never depart from the law. In addition, the oath equally requires you to serve this country to the best of your abilities and bearing in mind the enormous responsibility placed upon you.
It is very important to note that we have that goodwill and we have that support so that the job before us, it is us to do it to the best of our capability without pointing or looking behind as to why we cannot perform.
Ngo ripoti ya Vilingi wa Mauvoo ni Lina Musa.
Enendi makaunti ya Makueni ni mathuwa mabande miti ivindani ye yambua tanzie mwe ya kutungia mawithuluko alama na ngigite muno na kutuma kukusi wa mauvenduku manzeve alama etete munyao na nza. Uthuthio o ni kuma kwa ofisa wa nzama ya muvea wa kukitana na Mauvoo ya National Syndemic Disease Council ile metani ya ithio ya umiloni wa suava Kenya mwandu wa nza MUTUKU ula utetheisye kuvanda miti maana tatu skuluni wa kiuvundi wa Makueni aiwetakana ni mabandite miti ingi maanana na miongo 5 isioni sia mboni na meenda kuvanda ivike ngili emwe tuivikia muthiani wa mwaka huu. Jespat Musiemi ena Mauvoo.
Tukavindani kama na mwingi nanza thiende na kukusiwa vaka undini ya Makueni kontineta ula ungamie nzama ya kukitana na Mauvoo ile mbitani ya ithio ya umiloni wa sua mwandu wanza MUTUKU ni watongo SSS ya kuvanda miti maana tatu kimanisioni cha uvundi cha Makueni Polytechnic. Kavindani ka mbua nguvi yendeye isioni mbingi ile mbitani ya ukamba ondu mwana isio mbingi va Kenya ililikana kana uvandi wa miti winthi va Kenya. Wanzani waelesekana ni maminite kuvanda miti maana na mamiongo 5 dhini wakilio mbunge cha mboni na kielelo choni kuvanda mitingi liumwe uvikia muthia wa mwaka huu wakavindani kawe yosa mwanosu kunena na muika luwa uwa muthelo tiele mithana mivuthu kufikwe muthana ula ulilikana wa muthelo ula ni tuku yimwe mwaiwe 12 kila mwaka.
Coverage of forest is a little bit low and we are targeting to plant 1,000 trees as we commemorate the World AIDS Day, which is held in the 1st of each December each year. So this year's World AIDS Day theme is to stop teenage pregnancies, stop new HIV infections and sexual and gender-based violence, #end the triple threat. And the theme is in line with the current trend of increasing new HIV infections among young people.
Mwandu wanzani wambulakana ni kuende na kukusiwa maniwa ingi na muika kuitava ondu mwana wangeleku mwingi wa muthelo tikati wa muika dhini wa kaundi sia ukamba lani sio masaku kitui na Makueni aiweta kana kicho thetheo ni kwithiwa kuina kwewa kwa vamwe siana nini asieyo ntheki sioni anailawa kita kwa kithiomo cha Kisungu communal parenting.
So this year's World AIDS Day theme is to stop teenage pregnancies, stop new HIV infections and sexual and gender-based violence, #end the triple threat. And the theme is in line with the current trend of increasing new HIV infections among young people. And the theme is targeting the young people aged between 15 to 24 years and young people who are also in institutions.
Mwandu wanza MUTUKU ni wosa mwana usu kuthithia muika munini wivetangane na kwikonania na maundu mausiei kana kethani mekwikao matumie isiei.
We are seeing a scenario where parenting is individual as opposed to communal parenting, which was there before. And young people are left out to parent themselves, I can say that. We are not, and the theme is targeting the young people aged between 15 to 24 years and young people who are also in institutions. So that we are seeing a scenario where parenting is individual as opposed to communal parenting, which was there before. And young people are left out to parent themselves, I can say that. We are not talking to our young people.
Josephat Musiemi, Vilingi wa Mauvoo.
Ndi ya Rwanda thikwatiwa kwikia ithimi cia mbevyo cia malelo ni ndisu ituma mavisa mamovea wa ukuindisu kutambuka va Kenya kuona undu ithimi ithi ithukoma ungua movea wa usevyo wa malelo manene Kenya. Ainena hitina wa kutambuka kithimini cha The River na kila kimulongo na cha Juja mungami wa movea wa ukui ndisu ya Rwanda Franga Kehoza nuwetie kana ni makwatite kuondo nyanya kula ithimi ithi itonya kwikiwa ndisu valaili kate waso ikwambia kuthukuma mwakani tuendete.
Actually, we are having 4 road classification. We are having national roads, district road class 1, district road class 2, and unspecified roads, unclassified roads, sorry. And all of them cover almost 32,000 kilometers. So I would like to add as well that a study was conducted in terms of weighbridge, and the study determined around 8 locations that need a weighbridge. So among these 8, 2 are under implementation, and we believe that in the next year we'll be having a weighbridge fully operational. Now we don't have any weighbridge. That's why actually we came here to learn from Kenya experience so that we can be able to implement in accordance to international standards.
We see that Athi River cluster is more or less abused because we have the source of building construction materials coming to Nairobi. Nairobi is an expanding place, so most of the building materials come from the nearby areas. So there is actually a trend to try to overload vehicles, especially those carrying the loose construction materials. And that also we have managed because we realize it's a challenge. And that's where you have the close partnership of the truckers helping to help have the information resident with the transporters that yes, we don't need to overload our highways, we need them for our today and also for tomorrow.
On the issue of transporters, and not many of them who are not willing to comply with the rules that have been put in place in terms of enforcement. But as the engineer in charge has rightly indicated, we are engaging sensitization of the transporters so that all parties can be brought on board in terms of awareness.
Na iwanzani ni kanatha ukima kilavu cha Posta Rangers na tongo imachwa ni makwati ya Mauvoo sio makwailia mituo uthaukini wa Muvila kuma kwa ngwatano ya Muvila wa Maova Kenya FKF dinwaizo soye la itongo ni obisa wa mituo wa FKF kana kamure athauka ni makwati ya Mauvoo sio yolua kuvangithia mathau kwati ya miao ya mathau makusi kanana kusia siko itailite uthaukini wo kati wa maondwange VILANAKE captain wa kilavu Suleiman Hosman okulia nyanya mati ya miao ni kana mailie uthauki wo.
Outside the field, the kind of things that they do, especially on match fixing, and taking them through now the process of how the disciplinary measures that as a federation we take or will take once we find someone culpable of issues around match fixing.
Tunapitia a lot of financial struggles as Kenyan players, but si feel kama two wrongs zinaweza make a right, so na feel tu tunafaa kupasavia juu haitakuwa hivi forever. Soon maybe kama vile federation sasa wamerudi venye CS ako maybe anaonyeshana some kunaweza kuwa na light at the end of the tunnel, na feel haitakuwa hivyo, so itakuwa better things is gonna come, so tukue tu patient kidogo, then vile tu kama vile tumeambiwa hapa lazima tukue alert kabisa, tukue ni watu anything kama hiyo ikikam tuna recognize, tuna respond na tuna report, so tujaribu as players kabisa tujaribu kufight hiyo vice kabisa.
Haini musiaisia kwa Mauvoo asuma Posta Rangers twikila ngithio baundi utungia muveano ndwa kwitha wakwatiania na itu nye nitawa Robert Mutuku na Kesharo Ndinda atwalila Mauvoo wa kwanzia ya meko ikondhewa na kuiyocha kwa ila ondomwe na weekend zeo tiwanesa.